having some cozy time and in front of the TV, and my hubby is playing Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles on the NES. It's not Nintendo, so I think it's okay to show a bit of it at least. And yeah, and of course Mr. Grumpy here, he's sad at us because we're not playing with him enough. Are you sad at us? Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna cut his claws today. Yeah.
This is the infamous dam scene that everyone says is so difficult.
Yeah, this part is really difficult. You die all the time, almost. And it's impossible to do anything without getting hurt. Yeah. Well, my hubby is good. He can do it. I can guarantee on that. So this weird sound is from a new toy in the garden to make it easier. It's sucking up all the extra like leaves and stuff, and then threads it into that big black bag, and then well, makes a lot of easier. We'll see. It sounds awful lot. So I haven't vlogged a lot this week because it's been so stressful. A lot of choir practice. Has been fun, but very stressful and very tired. It's been a lot of work as well. But tonight, it's a free night. I have nothing planned. So me and my hubby, we're gonna watch some Ranger game. See? New Rangers. It's an old shirt. And we're gonna enjoy the match. It was during the night, and since we're in Sweden we can't see it live if we're not up in the during the night, and I can't do that when I'm working. So we're gonna have some pizza and look at the game, see how it goes so far.
Good finishing touch in this game. Great beautiful works.
Here's the pizza.
Cleared out by Kevin Klein.
And here's my hubby's shirt with Rangers. So, and I'm finally home with this little guy. Yeah, hi. Alright, he didn't wanna. Gonna see the game and enjoy the evening with my hubby. So my hubby, it has his birthday today, and I bought some flowers since his present didn't arrive yet. Bummer there. I hate to be late with birthdays, but I'm making this stew. Is that stew, right?
This one?
Yeah. It's with mushrooms and more nice and more expensive meat, but it's very tasty. So we'll see about that. It's some red wine in it, and as you can see, it's boiling. And if I remember correctly, the alcohol will disappear while it's boiling. And some alternative with chicken for one of the guests today who doesn't eat meat. So I'll hope this one turns out to be tasty. We'll see. That's gonna be exciting. So yeah, stay tuned. So yesterday we had fun, but I couldn't record since, well, we had family. And today I'm gonna show you more food. We're been shopping, and I did some warm sandwiches with mushrooms and cheese. And today I was feeling bad yesterday, having a cold on the way, and today I'm feeling not so good, so I'm gonna rest for most of the day. My hubby's gonna be good and be in the garden and work. But Looking forward to these mushroom sandwiches. Hello, so I'm gonna end this very short vlog with a little bit tribute for Paris, since you know the... Hey, I'm talking. You wanna play? I was talking, you know. So this guy wanna play instead. He didn't let me talk. So yeah. So we're saying you have to watch him instead, because otherwise I can't take the toy. The night after, in the morning on my hubby's birthday, we woke up for the news and everything awful happening in Paris. I had actually read about it a little bit during the night, since my friend texted me about it, but me and my hubby were really tired the day before, so we were actually slept at like 9 o'clock in the evening, so we actually missed all everything about the terror. And in the morning it was so many questions. Who did it? Why did it happen? Is it ISIS or ES, as we say in Sweden? Or is it some other thing horrible? I mean, a person that can do such things aren't a person, if you know what I mean. My hubby said it as well. You can't be human to be able to do stuff like that. It's at such horrible level. And yeah, all my sympathy and thought for France. I will not pray for France, since I'm not a believer in Christianity, and prayers never help. They just cause confusion, and people think that they will help. You can think about them, you can send regards, but prayers won't help. So I'm sending my thoughts, I'm sending my regards and sympathy for everyone in Paris. That's how I will end this. Ciao.